Welcome back to the Golden Elite channel. Today we'll be looking at the various LED mirrors that we have, what they do, what kinds we have, and the different features, etc. So let's go take a look at those. Discover our extensive range of models, each designed to perfectly fit your style and needs. All our mirrors are equipped with intuitive touch buttons, making them easy to use. Whether you need a small 20-inch mirror or a large 60-inch mirror, we have all the sizes you need. Thanks to our anti-fog technology, always enjoy a clear view of your mirror. Transform your bathroom into a space of luxury and comfort with Golden Elite Deco's mirrors. So as you can see, this mirror is just a little bit more than just a normal mirror. We've got a few different functions here. So we've got the time, we've got the temperature, we've got the date, and we've also got a Bluetooth connection. So once you press the little Bluetooth button here, hear the beep, connect by pairing. There we go. And then you can listen to your music while you're getting ready for the day. Golden Elite Deco, elegance at the heart of your daily life. For more information, visit our website or stop by one of our stores.